Divide 636 by 4 in a long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 2. So this 2 is less than 4. So we put down this 3 and it is 23. 4 times 5 is 20. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So 636 divided by 4 is 159. So this much for today and thanks for watching.